The planning phase takes place after a patient's images have been uploaded. The pre-surgical planning feature on the StealthStation plays a crucial role in optimizing surgical outcomes, reducing risk, and improving patient care in ENT procedures. Everything done in this step carries over into navigation. There are various features to point out in this pre-surgical planning phase. The first one I'll mention is the measure tool. I'm using a mouse at the moment, but you can use your finger as the screen is touchscreen. The measure tool, you'll want to make sure you're clicking that bottom left tool there, and you can click and drag anywhere in the anatomy and get a measurement in millimeters. So for example, the frontal sinus is roughly 16 millimeters. The ostium is about 9 millimeters. You can also add annotation points. So let's say I wanted to add an annotation point anywhere on the skull base. To do so, you'll click anywhere on the CT scan. You want to make sure that that's the point that you want, and you'll hit the plus sign in the top right-hand corner. You can adjust what color you want it to be. So for this, I'll choose this color blue, and then you can also label it. So I'll label it skull base. Okay? So now, whenever you're operating, once you hit that point, you'll be notified that this is skull base. But let's say you also want to be audibly notified. You can change that to an alert, and you can adjust the radius at which the alert notifies you of when you're in that vicinity. So I'm gonna do 6 millimeters. So anytime you're in the vicinity of this circle here, once you cross that line, you'll be notified with an audible sound, and the screen borders with a yellow